As the month of October draws to a close, the Wildcats seek a Rocky Mountain high as they face the Colorado Buffaloes at Folsom Field. On a perfect fall evening, the Cats and Buffs face off on homecoming Saturday here in Boulder. Both teams coming off victories. Arizona defeated Utah last Saturday, while Colorado dispatched Charleston Southern. And we are at an elevation of 5,400 feet to watch the Cats and the Buffs.
Down, Denker punts, throws deep down the right sideline. Catch as he inbounds, David Richards. Yes, it's a catch. Arizona's in the red zone. Quickly, Arizona, the handoff. Carey fights to the goal line. No signal. There it is, touchdown, Arizona. Denker fumbled the ball, picks it up, throws it deep, and the catch is made by Garrett Wharton. And across midfield into Buffalo's territory.
Now here comes the pressure from behind. He's hit and dropped. Well, Scooby Wright came all the way around to get him from behind. On first and goal, handoff, Ka'Deem Carey. He's to the one, and he's into the end zone.
You see so much drive out of Ka'Deem Carey. He gets a big hole, so he's got some momentum. But there's no way these guys do not bring him down. And Mom has got some spirit going on right there.
Very good first half for B.J. Denker. Gives to Carey. Carey breaks a tackle, gets outside at the 40. Carey to midfield. Ka'Deem Carey into Colorado territory, out of bounds to the 44-yard line. Play action by Denker. Looking downfield for Nate Phillips. Phillips, the over-the-shoulder catch. Touchdown, Arizona. 44 yards and a brilliant pass by Denker. An even better catch by the freshman Nate Phillips.
Denker throws it. It's caught by Terrence Miller. First down, 35, 30, 25, 20. Spins away at the 15. He's at the 10. He's at the 5. He is stopped at the 1. It'll be first and goal, Arizona. Handoff. Ka'Deem Carey into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona. Keeper by Denker. Denker dances up to the 10, 15, out to the 20. Carey leading the way. BJ to the 40. Waits his way 45 and tackle at midfield. They're going to fake it. O'Neal stumbles a bit, and then he is blasted out of bounds up at the 17-yard line. And the handoff will go to Ka'Deem. Breaks the tackle into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona, the 4th of the night.
Move out, pump fake. Good protection. Fires over the middle. It's intercepted. William Park steps in front and picks off the pass. Rich Rod and company with an outstanding performance here in Boulder tonight.
Stuff that could have went wrong. You hung in there. We didn't play our best, but we played hard, right? Sure. We played for 60 minutes. Played for, on all three sides. We played for 60 minutes, and I'm proud of you. Now, the more you win, the more is at stake. Got that? And we don't have any breaks. We got to go on the road again against a pretty good team that's better than the record. Keep your focus. Hey, we're going to get back late tonight. Get your rest. All right, tomorrow, Sunday, will be like last Sunday. Little meeting, little lift. Gonna walk through? Yeah. Right? And then on Tuesday, we get ready to get after Cal. You ever